Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of the Python tutorial. In this session I would be completing strings. So let's get started. What exactly is string? String is basically a sequence of characters. Just like array there wasn't any limitation, array or list, there wasn't any limitations as such, but strings are generally dealt with characters. Sequence of characters, strings. So let's check it out. What's the syntax of strings? One more thing I would like to tell you that strings in Python are pretty much easier compared to other languages. Java and C++ and C, strings in Python are easier. So let's say there is a variable string which contains a string. This is my string, okay? And now I am printing that string. This is the normal way of printing a string. Just check it out. F5 is the compiling button. This is my string, okay? Now one thing that is difference between list and the string is that strings are immutable. What exactly is immutable? Immutable means we cannot modify the characters inside the string. Suppose if this is my string, मतलब string के अंदर this is my string is stored, then I cannot modify this is my string at all inside the string. Why? Because that's inbuilt actually in Python, because we cannot modify actually. In order to modify them, we will have to first convert into the list. Just check it out. L equal to list of, I'm not taking input, I'm just providing over here itself. Okay, now I'm printing over here L, and then original list would be this. And first of all, I'm modifying L of 3 equal to suppose 55, L of 4 equal to 99, or rather hide a little. And now I'm printing L modified version. Okay, so just check it out. I can modify the list. The characters inside the list can be changed, or just check the original list and the modified list are equal or same or different. We can see that the original list and the modified list are totally different, because we have actually changed the element of that position inside the list. But is this possible with strings? Obviously no. Let's check it out if we can do that. An error will pop out. String cannot be assigned something of that sort. String of 3 equal to a, I am assuming. Suppose I want to make this sentence basically that is my string. Now how will I do that? That's my question. That is my string, okay? So obviously I will have to convert the third character, that is this, sorry, second character, because indexing starts from 0. Okay, so this is the second position, so I will have to make that as A and S as T. I hope it's pretty much clear. I need to convert I over here into A and S over here into T. Okay, so let's check it out if I can do that. Obviously no. String object does not support item assignment. What exactly this means? This means we simply cannot change the position of the string. Now what if I am required to do that? I can obviously convert the string into the list. String equal to list of string. You can keep the variable name different as well, but I am keeping it same as your wish. Now the whole string is converted into the list. Now I can obviously modify the list, as I have already taught you all just 2 or 3 minutes back. We can obviously change the characters of the list. String of 2 equal to A and string of 3 equal to T. Now what if I am required to just check it out, the output would be in the list form. Now I need to convert that into a string form. How to do that? I will show you just a second. Print string. See, the entire thing gets printed out in the list form, including the spacebar and all, every characters. Now I am required to modify that into normal string form. First of all, if I have written this, then obviously brackets gets erased, and that is my string. Still there is a space between each character, because Python by default leaves a space if I put star, as we have already seen inside the list form. So what if I'm required to remove that? I would simply write dot join str of e for e in string. What this means? This means I am converting the character of the string from I'm converting each character of the string into one character. Basically, I am converging all of them until and unless I encounter space. Just check it out, the output. Brackets are obviously fine, I suppose. Yeah, that is my string. Look, this is what I was required as an output, and I got it first by converting it into a list, and then I am joining it. What if I put a space bar in between them? Then there will be a space between each characters, just like what we got from the list. Just check it out. See, this output and this output is same. You can even assign this as a string variable, string altogether, and then print string. Now this is a normal string. S should be small. Control S F5. Just check it out. That is my string because one extra space I have put over here. If I remove it, just check it out. So basically my string got converted into the list. So handling strings is pretty much easier in Python compared to any other language. Trust me. And what if I put a dollar over here? Just check it out. After every character, dollar will pop out. Dad, dollar, and all. Just check it out. Okay. So I hope it's pretty much clear. So that's all for string. Strings are pretty much easier. You can easily access string. Accessing characters is same way as that of list. String of 2, string of 3, provided the indexed position starts from 0. Okay, so I hope you have thoroughly understood this concept of strings. Strings and lists are pretty much important. So thank you for watching the video, and please do like, comment and subscribe the channel for future videos. Thank you.